Alright guys, hey, alright, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make some beef stew. I'm going to be making some beef stew for the family today, and it's one of my favorite meals. Alright guys, so these are the products that you need to make some beef stew. I have a fresh carrot that my man picked out from Bravo's, but I asked him why does it look like that, and he said don't judge. But it kind of looks like a finger to me, like one of those fake ones that you practice nails on. Anyways, I have a green bell pepper. I already chopped it up, washed. Onion, potatoes. Now the products that I do use to season my meat is right here. Sazon is a must. His face. Sazon is a must. I use garlic spread. I use oregano. I use adobo, black pepper, and some sofrito to make it into my bowl. Okay. I already have the beef stew already washed. So do I have some rice as well, because I like my beef stew with my rice. So here are the products. I'm going to show you the results in the end. Alright guys, so I'm going to do the rice. Simple. Rice cooker, bam, fast. Fast. I am hungry. I know my man's hungry too. Yes, he agrees. He's hungry. Yes, okay. So anyways, you're very hungry. Okay, this should be not that long, hopefully. I mean, beef stew does take a little bit. Maybe like 2 hours, because it needs to. He said maybe just 2 hours. Anyways, I'm using some canola oil in here for my rice. I do use like a tad bit of sofrito in my white rice. I know, I'm weird, but it tastes so good. Just a tad, okay guys? I'm gonna put my rice that I already washed and cleaned. Okay. And now I'm gonna put my 2 cups of water. One, 2. Alright guys, I'm gonna stir it. Stir it up. You need to use a little bit of salt as well. Let's get salt, guys. Let me turn this water off. Can you tell I shop at Publix a lot? I'm gonna put the phone for a second. I don't know if you guys can see. Just there. Yes? You're just looking at me. Why are you staring at me like a creep? You're lurking because you're seeing me do my videos. Okay. A little more salt. Alright guys, bam. Make this fast, so quick, cook it, done. Alright guys, so I slice and dice, I season inside the pot that I'm going to be using for the beef stew. All the ingredients that I showed you, I just put it here. I season the meat a little bit, the way I like it. I don't know how much seasoning, I can't say, oh I put 1 teaspoon of this. I'm Hispanic and I just moved my hands. So I'm just like, okay, I think this feels right. So I'm going to put the beef in here. And then after that, you're just going to put 2 cups of water. And then just have it on low simmer. So let's go put this water in. Alright guys, I'm about to put the 2 cups of water in the beef stew now. So 1 here. And another here. And I'm about to stir it. You just want all of those ingredients to mix in so it can soak up all the flavors. Okay. Let's see. Alright guys, so I'm stirring it. This is how it should look. Get them in there. And then I'm going to the lid, bam, put it on about 4 to 6, and let's get this baby cooking. On another note guys, when I sent my man to go get the ingredients for me because I was with the boys, I told him, hey, I need 2 bananas, okay? Tell me how. He buys me 2 sets of bananas. I'm like, so when he walks in, I'm like, that's not 2 bananas. He's like, you weren't specific. You didn't specify. I said 2 bananas. And we were in videos. And I was like, 1, 2. 2 bananas. I got 12 here. So I'm about to make banana smoothies later. Alright, guys, I am checking on the rice. Make sure you stir it. Very important, okay? Don't forget. Alright, guys, so this is how your beef stew should look. If not, you know, everyone's beef stew looks different, but this is the way I make it. It is finished. Bam. And I have my rice already ready. The rice is finished too. So this is a beef stew meal, and I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial on how to make beef stew. I'm about to enjoy. Thank you. Alright guys, so this is the beef stew. My man likes this on the side. Whatever. And I like mine on top. So this is the results of the food.